Tragedy in the skies. A sightseeing helicopter crashed into the Hudson River near Jersey City, killing all 6 on board. The victims included a Spanish family of 5 and their pilot. The flight, which took off from Manhattan, was forced to turn back due to a fuel issue. Moments later, the chopper broke apart mid-air. U.S. authorities, including the FAA and NTSB, are now investigating the cause. The Spanish Prime Minister called it an unimaginable tragedy. As calls for tighter regulations grow, communities are once again questioning the safety of non-essential flights over urban areas.